Hi, welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today, we're gonna do a real quick and easy cook. We're gonna be going back outside on the griddle. We're gonna be using the Char-Griller Premium Flat Iron 36-inch griddle. And we're just gonna basically do some shrimp fried rice. Real quick and easy. I'll see you out there. Let's do it. All right, so as you can see, got that smoke rolling. We're going to get some oil on here. I have these 3 burners on. This one's kind of on the medium high, medium for these 2, and this one is off. Actually medium low for this one, and this one is off. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this rice on here first. Let me get these mixed vegetables on here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit the vegetables up with this Heat Rouse Everyday Rub, which is basically like your salt and pepper blend. I'm gonna put some sesame oil on the rice, not too much. Put a little soy sauce. Put some oyster sauce. And put some hoisin sauce. I love hoisin sauce. Put down some more oil. Let's get the shrimp on here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go over that shrimp, this Cajun Creole garlic butter. All right, so I'm going to get this mixed together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this off, then I'll meet you back inside. All right, so we're done with the cook now. In all, it took maybe 10 minutes. And all we did was put some rice, some mixed vegetables down there, use some of the Heat Rouse Everyday Rub on the vegetables, which is just like salt and pepper. On the rice, we use some sesame seed oil, some hoisin sauce, and some oyster sauce. Mix that in there. Then mix both of those, the rice and the vegetables together. Put the shrimp on. We put the Heath Rouse Creole garlic butter on there. And that, that rub is it's just amazing on seafood. So pretty much did that, mixed all of it together, took it off the griddle, brought it indoors, and now we here. And that's the favorite part of mine, which is when I get to actually eat some of it. So let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. So as you can see, we got that fried rice, got that shrimp in there. So usually I put some yum yum sauce on it, which I have some, but I'm not gonna do it just yet. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick little view of me tearing this up. So cheers. If you like shrimp fried rice, nothing like doing it at home. Get you one of these Char-Griller premium flat irons or any of their griddles. Just start doing stuff at home, man. It's the best food you can ever have. But thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can get notified when I drop new content. And give a thumbs up as well. I appreciate that. If you already subscribed, hey, thank you for coming back. You know how we roll. It's football season again. Go Tennessee Balls. Yeah, they beat Florida last weekend, so I'm happy. Other than that, also check out the description, have the link to my link tree on there. You can go on there, find all the things I use on my channel, get it at a discounted rate, and you can be doing this at home yourself. So until next time, I'll holler at you. Peace.